Hello, I'm Friar Roderic Burke, a Franciscan, and I really want to go to the moon with my favorite statue of Mary. Recently, Yusaku Meazawa made the generous offer of 8 free rides to the moon on his dearMoon project, but only to artists and communicators to foster peace. All I have is a YouTube channel called Married to the Moon about the connection between spirituality and space travel and how this inspires pragmatic ways of reconciling conservatives and progressives, religion and science, past and future, old and young. If only I can get a divided world to listen. But I digress. The main problem is that I'm old and they're young. I'm the past and they're the future. I'm religious, they're scientific, conservative, progressive. If anyone can see a way that I might possibly fit in and perhaps publicize my message of peace, let me know. Thanks, and Ave Maria.